Hi, welcome to Carl's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show how to use a clay oven and make chicken with apples and prunes. One of my favorite dishes. Here we have everything I need. Some spices to make the skin taste good, some prunes and some apples, and a fairly large chicken. This one is organic and 1.5 kilograms. So there's very little work involved. It takes just a few minutes to prepare. The secret is this thing, a clay oven. It needs to soak for half an hour before being used, and it comes in 3 different sizes. The middle size is good for a chicken. And this is the lid. Looks like this is just soaked. And now we need to make the ingredients go in. So we start by putting the chicken in here. I'll move this out of the way when I cut the apples. Medium-sized cubes is what I do. The secret of the clay oven is that when you soak it, it fills up with water in the clay, which slowly evaporates while we're cooking. So we open up the chicken, take some apples, stick it inside, some prunes as well. Then we fill up around the chicken the mix of apples and prunes. If you put the prunes, they should be mixed, but if you put some of them on top, they will caramelize, and that's another taste of prune that many people like. So, time for spicing. Any sort of grill mix will do. Today I'm using a Swedish onion and bell pepper based mix, grillkrydda, and an Italian Mediterranean rub. You only need to put some on top of the chicken like this. And I'll put on some chili flakes. To top it off, you can add wine. We need around 2 deciliters to make a difference to the dish. So when this comes out, much of the fat from the chicken will have drained into the sauce, and the apples and the prunes and the wine make a very lovely sauce. So that took me roughly 5 minutes of preparation. We put on the lid and put it in the oven. Depending on the size of the chicken, we wait for between 1 hour 15 and 1.5 hours. So the chicken has been in the oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes. That's approximately the right time for a 1.5 kilo chicken like we have today. I'll take it out and check if it's ready. And this is how to check. So the most difficult place for the chicken to get thoroughly cooked in is here in the leg. So I open up and make a few small cuts on each side. Fluid should be coming out, and if it is red, like not yet congealed blood, then it's not ready today. It's ready. So I'll serve the chicken. When we're serving this chicken, the sauce is underneath, and you need a big ladle to pull it out, and a small spoon or normal tablespoon to get the stuffing. I've been thinking of trying this with American Thanksgiving spicing, but I haven't gotten around to it. And when you finished the legs and all the breast, you can turn it over and there is some more meat on the other side. Today I am serving this with apple salad and no extra carbs. So this is one of the most delicious meals I know how to make, and it takes only minutes. But it is very painful to wait for it because the oven smells so lovely.